Are the English teachers you know worried about AI? They aren't wrong to be concerned, but I've also found ways that AI can help improve student achievement in reading and writing. I'm Jen Roberts, a National Board Certified English teacher. I've had one-to-one laptops for my students since 2008, and I'm no stranger to digital pedagogy. For more of my work, check out my blog, litandtech.com, or find me on Bluesky at jen.litandtech.com. Today, I want to share how AI tools have transformed my classroom, creating more meaningful reading and writing experiences for my students. Let's start with writing. One of my go-to tools is Magic Student. Magic Student provides immediate feedback to students as they write. It offers sentence frames to help students who are stuck, suggests transitions between paragraphs, and highlights areas where clarity could be improved. The real magic happens when students receive instant guidance rather than waiting days for teacher feedback. This keeps them engaged in the writing process and builds confidence. For more detail, this blog post, What Happens When Students Have Access to Instant AI Feedback, is helpful for understanding how instant AI feedback affects the dynamics of a 9th grade writing classroom. I also use Writeable, which helps with AI-assisted scoring and feedback. Writeable allows me to create custom rubrics that align with our learning standards. The AI provides detailed feedback based on these rubrics, which I review and adjust before sending to students. This saves me hours of grading time while ensuring students receive timely, consistent feedback. Additional writing tools I leverage are Brisk Feedback and the Writing Pathway. I've also found it very helpful to ask AI to revise assignment directions for clarity. My students produce better writing when their task is clear to them. Image generators have been a fun way to get students doing a lot of descriptive writing and revising. Adobe Express comes in handy for that. And in-person writing groups are still an important protocol in our classroom because humans can give feedback about things the AI does not catch, like organization, plot holes, and redundancies. Let's look at some of the ways AI is helping me support reading development for my students. The interactive reading experiences created with Brisk Boost have been a great tool for helping my students grapple with complex texts. Students can ask questions about the text, get vocabulary support, and engage in guided discussions, all facilitated by AI. This is particularly helpful for differentiation, as struggling readers receive extra support while advanced readers can dive deeper. In this example, we see David having a chat with Brisk about a scene from Hamlet. Brisk is asking him questions and using his answers to show his progress toward learning objectives. I've also started using AI to create custom reading assessments. After selecting a reading passage, I can generate differentiated questions targeting various comprehension levels. The AI helps create multiple choice, short answer, and open-ended questions. I can then use the AI to convert these assessments to different formats, digital, print, or interactive, depending on our classroom needs. Jigsaw activities have always been valuable, but AI helps me implement them more effectively. AI helpfully suggests logical divisions for jigsaw activities, ensuring each section has comparable difficulty and length. These are the slides each group created after analyzing their section of the text. AI also helps me generate specialized vocabulary lists for each section, giving students the support they need to become experts on their portion. When my students can access challenging texts more independently, it builds both their confidence and comprehension. These AI tools aren't replacing me as a teacher. They're extending what I can offer my students. By handling some of the mechanical aspects of teaching, AI frees me to focus on what matters most, building relationships, facilitating meaningful discussions, and providing personalized guidance. The result? More engaged students, more efficient use of class time, and better outcomes in both reading and writing. If you're hesitant about bringing AI into your classroom, I encourage you to start small. Pick one area where your students need more support and explore how AI might help. Keep up with my adventures in Lit and Tech on my blog, or reach out via email or social channels. I'd love to know more about how AI is supporting you and your students.